Hi, this is part 3 of the ongoing re-whitening project on our NuTone Model 2027 remote inside stations that we're doing for a local customer. Parts 1 and 2, if you haven't watched it, you should go back. I'll link them in at the end of this video. Part 3 is going to be about reassembling the units. So I have 8 grills all done. They've been re-whitened. The gold has been re-highlighted on them, and while the customer only needs 6, we're doing 8 because when you do a project like this, it's always good to have a few spare because you never know what might happen along the way. So what have we got here? Well, we've got 8 re-whitened and highlighted grills. I have 8 knobs here, and I have 8 sets of speakers with controls. All of the speakers have all been checked, they're all good, and all of the volume controls have been cleaned. I've got a container with intercom push buttons. I've got a container with all of the switch contacts. And I've got a big container full of screws. And lucky you get to sit and watch me do this. Now, there won't be any talking, but I am going to find the world's best, most cheesiest background music to play while I speed through this. So sit back and relax and take a look. And there you have it. 8 reassembled, re-whitened, re-highlighted NuTone 2027 inside remote stations. That wasn't even that hard to do. I hope you found this interesting and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube because that always helps. There'll be a banner right here that shows you how to subscribe. Go to our YouTube homepage, click on the bell, and when you click on the bell, click on it to receive all notifications, and every time we post a new video, you'll get a notification and you can watch it. That's all for today. Stay tuned for part 4. See ya.